so to follow on from the last videos, now we've got to get ourselves the base data in so that we can make any necessary edits. We also need to be able to get the Precal in so we can make our area extent layer, as well as creating our road reserve layer, which is what we have to use to break our data into the sections as specified by the spec. Right, so first thing we're going to do, we've got our MGA import file made. This has just been made with an MGA DWT drawing template. We're going to get it into the beginnings of a D or R Spec format. So we'll either use a D Spec or R Spec format. At this point, it doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter because we will kind of be repeating this step again. But we do this now. That is weird. Let's see why that happened. Maybe need to audit it. Let's try again. We got everything. We appear to have everything here that we need, apart from a scale factor that's usable. Let's create one as to 250. Okay. Alright, it's just a bit tidier to work with. Alright, so we're going to just save this as into our CAD data folder. Okay. We call this one DR Spec. That just signifies to us that it's got both sets of data in it. Alright, so that's that. That's going to sit dormant for a little bit. So our very next step is to open our design, our source folder. Let's open the Precal. Just going to drag this onto the other screen so you're not going to see it. So we've got the Precal open. Let's open don't know what that even means. Hopefully it's got what I need on it. Not really. Let's try the other one. Not really. All layers turned on. Yes, they are. But none of it is there. Alright, that makes this task rather more difficult. Check it's not in this one either. No, it's not. Okay. All is not lost. That's just going to make the footpath bit a little bit harder, but that's fine. So now this is looking at the coordinates. obviously this is PCG, so we just need to create a PCG file with the Precal in it. The reason I do this rather than assigning PCG to the Precal itself is you just don't know when these files come through. Sometimes they're drawing settings, they're in the feet and inches and feet. It's just cleaner and safer to just paste it to original coordinates in a PCG file. Save it into the CAD data as our PCG Precal. Okay, so that's that. We now close that. And this is a bit of rigmarole, but I don't know of an easy way. Okay, now we make an MGA. We'll open the MGA template. And we come over to the task pane. If yours is not on, it's map W space and on. Go to task pane, go to map explorer, drawings, and we attach the one we just made, which is in CAD data Buckby Shepperton CAD data Precal PCG. So we add that, we give it the OK, come back over here, and then we have to query it. Right click on query and define. And this is, we click on location, all, OK. And for some reason, you actually do have to click on it. Even though we just clicked on it and went OK, for some reason you have to do it. Draw, you want draw selected, and then you're just going to go execute query. Then you'll see down here, this is now in MGA. Now it's in, we detach our drawing, and we save it as MGA Precal. Alright, now it's simply a matter of select similar, and I don't think we need that one. Select similar, copy, paste to original coordinates. There we go. Double check there's nothing above there. No, there's not. Right, so that's all we've got. Okay, so that's how you get the Precal into your drawing file. Next lesson will be creating the road reserve boundary, the area extent boundary, and chopping it all up into bits. Alright, cool. See you next video.